Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to unblock someone on Telegram without them knowing. So it's quite easy. All you have to do is simply click unblock when you block them. But the question is, how are you going to unblock yourself if someone has blocked you? So as you can see here, I am currently sending a message to my friend Alexa. Now let's just say Alexa intentionally or accidentally blocked me. And as you can see here, I am blocked. And I wasn't notified. Actually, you won't be notified if you're blocked. Also, you won't be notified if this person unblock you. So that is not a big problem. If someone doesn't block you, you won't get notified. Or if you unblock someone, they won't get notified. So as you can see here, if I'm going to message my friend Alexa, unfortunately, I can only see one check. Okay. And as you can see here, if I'm going to call her, it says here failed to connect. Okay. So no matter how I try to call, and you can see here, I cannot call this person anymore. So that means I was restricted or I was blocked. So in order for me to simply message this person or unblock myself so that I can message this person right away, unfortunately, there is no feature option that says unblock yourself. However, there is this method that you can use in order for you to message that person who has blocked you, and that is with the help of a friend. So you can ask your friend to create a group chat that should include you and the person who has blocked you. So once your friend have created this group chat, then you can now send a message to this group chat, and the person who has blocked you or my friend Alexa can read my message. Now, for that friend who created this group, she or he has the choice or option to exit on this group. Okay, so she can leave or delete the group. So that would be you and your friend Alexa who has blocked you. And then here you can now message the person, or I can now message Alexa who has blocked me on my Telegram account. So as you can see here, I can message now Alexa and she can read this because she is also part of the group, or she is a member of the group. So even if there's no unblock option, I can still message the person who has blocked. In this case, it is also same as I have unblocked myself from her. So if you have found this video helpful, or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below, and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.